How to use Instagram Threads. Well, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually download and use Instagram Threads. So if you would like that, then let me know in the comments if this video helped you out, and let's get started. So Instagram recently, or actually 14 hours ago, introduced their new app called Instagram Threads, and here you can read all about it, what it's actually all about. Basically a competitor to Twitter. If you would like to install it, then some people actually have the option to go to your profile and then on the click on the three lines to see it over here. So here it should be somewhere where it says Threads. If you click on there, it should bring you over to the App Store. Now, if that isn't the case, then what you can actually do is go to the App Store yourself and then simply search for Threads. Once you are on that page, you want to go ahead and download the app and then simply open it up. But if you cannot find the app, then that means that you are in a region or country where this app is yet to be available. So they currently only release this in the United States, of course, and then also in the United Kingdom, and then I believe in India maybe as well. I'm not sure, but in most countries in Europe, it isn't available yet. That's quite unfortunate, but you'll just have to wait a bit. Now, once you've downloaded and installed it and you want to open it up, you'll get to this page. Now over here at the bottom, you can see login with Instagram and then your username, and all the way to the bottom, switch accounts as well. Because some people might have multiple Instagram accounts, and if they don't want to use the account that is shown right over there, then you can switch it. Now once you've clicked on login, you'll get to the profile page over here, and this is where you want to change your add a profile picture, maybe your bio and then a link, or you can immediately import this from Instagram, which I currently recommend because that's just the easiest and fastest way to do this. Then you'll get to the privacy section, and here you want to select if you want to have a public or private profile. Now I do believe it doesn't really matter if your regular Instagram account is public or private. I believe you can have a regular public Instagram account and then a private Threads account, or the other way around. So you can choose whichever you would like to. And then here you can follow all of the same accounts that you follow on Instagram as well. And then here it says how Threads works. So there you go. It just gives you a quick explanation of how it works. And then it is now currently creating your account. And there you go. This is how it will look like. Currently, this is just a random page with it's basically your For You page, but with random accounts, because I don't follow anyone yet really. So I'll just get random accounts recommended, and then slowly I can follow people, and then, it will form your own For You page customized to you. And then if you go to the search bar, that's basically where you can follow all of the accounts. As you can see, you can search for people as well. And then in the middle part is where you can actually create threads. Just like on Instagram, it should be right there where you can create a post. And then you also have your activity, likes, replies, mentions, and stuff like that. And then the last section is simply your profile with all of your threads and replies and your profile picture and stuff like that. So yeah, that is basically it. That's how to use Threads from Instagram. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.